Boldly go in the direction of your dreams. Stand tall and show the world what you are made of. When the world beats you down, find a reason to get back up again. Never give up on the success. Try, and try again. Feed your mind ideas of success, not failure. Remember, the only way you can fail is if you give up. Every time you fail, you come one step closer to success. You are not scared, you are courageous. You are not weak, you are powerful. You are not ordinary, you are remarkable. Do not back down, do not give up. When you look back on your life, don't have regrets. Believe in yourself, believe in your future, you will find your way. A fire burning inside you is mighty, it is waiting to burn bright. You are meant to do great things. Following your dreams can be both terrifying and exciting. Courage is facing fear. Fear of failure holds most people back. You are not most people. Persist and persuade others about your plans, as they are real. Nobody can do this but you. Nobody will get in the way of our dreams. Most people master the obvious, you create something that wasn't there before. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's you. Give it your best, and your dreams will come to life. Success is yours. Go for your dreams, it is your turn. If you want to achieve greatness, stop asking for permission. Things work out best for those who make the best of how things work out. To live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong. If you are not willing to risk the usual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. Trust because you are willing to accept the risk, not because it's safe or certain. Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life, think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body, be full of that idea, and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. Good things come to people who wait, but better things come to those who go out and get them. Try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of value. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. When you stop chasing the wrong things, you give the right things a chance to catch you. There are two types of people who will tell you that you cannot make a difference in this world: those who are afraid to try and those who are afraid you will succeed. As we look ahead into the next century, leaders will be those who empower others. Develop success from failures. Discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping stones to success. The reason most people never reach their goals is that they don't define them, or ever seriously consider them as believable or achievable. Winners can tell you where they are going, what they plan to do along the way, and who will be sharing the adventure with them. Success is knowing your purpose in life, growing to reach your maximum potential, and sowing seeds that benefit others. A man can be as great as he wants to be. If you believe in yourself and have the courage, the determination, the dedication, the competitive drive, and if you are willing to sacrifice the little things in life and pay the price for the things that are worthwhile, it can be done. If you set your goals ridiculously high and it's a failure, you will fail above everyone else's success. Things work out best for those who make the best of how things work out. Entrepreneurs average 3.8 failures before final success. What sets the successful ones apart is their amazing persistence. Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life, think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body, be full of that idea, and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. If you are willing to do more than you are paid to do, eventually you will be paid to do more than you do. Great minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, small minds discuss people. I find that when you have a real interest in life and a curious life, that sleep is not the most important thing. The first step towards success is taken when you refuse to be a captive of the environment in which you first find yourself. Keep on going, and the chances are that you will stumble on something, perhaps when you are least expecting it. I never heard of anyone ever stumbling on something sitting down. If you want to make a permanent change, stop focusing on the size of your problems and start focusing on the size of you. If you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into someone else's plan. And guess what they have planned for you? Not much. Would you like me to give you a formula for success? It's quite simple, really. Double your rate of failure. You are thinking of failure as the enemy of success. But it isn't at all. You can be discouraged by failure or you can learn from it, so go ahead and make mistakes. Make all you can. Because remember, that's where you will find success.